Nothing is more refreshing than an ice cold glass of sweet tea in the summertime. This easy recipe comes together in minutes. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite summer drink, Southern style sweet tea. This is based off of my own mother's recipe. She had a pitcher of sweet tea in the refrigerator at all times. And I remember as a kid making this like over and over and over again. So this recipe has been committed to memory. You can definitely switch things up if you like, but this is made with just a few simple ingredients and you can have pitchers of Southern style sweet tea all summer long. So to make your sweet tea, all you're going to need is 4 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 12 tea bags, and we like to use the black tea bags, so just like your regular standard run-of-the-mill tea. And then lemons. The lemons are optional. I've heard orange is lovely as well, but I don't know if that's like true Southern. So let's get started. We're gonna make some sweet tea. So to start your sweet tea, you're going to add the water to a saucepan and then stir in the sugar. Bring the mixture to a boil and then turn the heat off. Add your 12 tea bags to the pot and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your tea is steeped, we're gonna take it off the stove. Our tea is done. So this is like a tea concentrate and it's screaming hot right now. Sometimes I'll just let it sit on the stove until it cools to room temperature. But today I'm just going to kind of strain it into my pitcher. So I have this handy strainer I found on Amazon. You can find the link down in the description, and it's really cool because it clips on and then you can just kind of strain off like your pasta or whatever and leave it in the pot, and then you don't have a giant strainer taking up space in your dishwasher. So let's pour that in here. There we go. And then you're just gonna fill this the rest of the way up with water, cold water, ice water, whatever. You can do it of filtered water, or if you have filtered water at the sink, you can fill it up that way. I'm just gonna do this over in the sink. All right, so our pitcher's full of freshly made sweet tea. I used cold water, so it tempered that hot water. You can see it's like a beautiful color. I'm just gonna add a few slices of lemon to the pitcher. And then just drop those in. It gives it a nice, fresh, lemony flavor. And now I have some glasses filled with ice. I'm gonna fill those up, and then we're gonna enjoy our tea. This is perfect for a hot summer day. And I like making a pitcher of it to keep in the refrigerator like all summer long. If you made my fresh lemonade, you can do an Arnold Palmer, which is a half and half, so half lemonade, half sweet tea. That is so delicious. Or you can do a tipsy Arnold Palmer and add a little bit of vodka. That's not a bad idea either. So I'm just gonna add slices of lemon as a garnish to my glass. And there you go. That's your Southern style sweet tea. I'm just gonna take a sip and test it out. That is absolutely perfect. It's so refreshing and sweet. It's simply amazing. It is exactly what you expect in the South. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.